Hello there. Welcome to Python 101. In this lesson, we will introduce you to programming and Python, set up the coding environment, write your first code, learn about common mistakes, and explore different types of output. This will build a strong foundation for your coding journey. So today's learning agenda. So we'll begin by understanding what programming is and Python's role. Then we'll explore how to set up and navigate the code environment. Next, you'll and understand your first Python code. We'll also cover common syntax errors and debugging basics. Uh, Finally, we'll look at the difference between text and numeric output. So programming is the art of giving instructions to computers to perform tasks. So coding is like writing a recipe or set of directions. Python is popular and easy to learn programming language used in many real-world applications from web development to data science, most recently AI. So programming involves writing instructions that computers can understand and execute. It helps automate tasks, solve problems, and create software such as games, websites, and apps. So coding is very similar to giving clear and precise instructions, like like a recipe or set of steps to follow. If instructions are unclear, the result might not be what you expect. So Python is widely used for web development, automation, scientific research, artificial intelligence, and more. Its simple syntax makes it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. Before coding, it's important to know where and how you will write and run your programs. Many online platforms, such as Replit, provide easy access to Python environments directly in your browser. So online platforms like Replit let you write, run, and save Python code without installing anything. They are great tools for beginners to practice coding safely and easily. So once you know your environment, you're ready to start coding. Make sure your editor is open and the console is visible to see your results immediately. The first step in coding is often learning how to display text on the screen. So Python uses the uh, print brackets and function to do this. We'll also learn about important syntax elements like parenthesis, and quotation marks. So the print function, which I just do that for that function, outputs text or data to the console. For example, print just hello world will display the greeting on the screen. So parentheses are used to enclose what you want to print, while quotation marks indicate that context is text. Both are essential for the print function to work correctly. So trying to print your try printing your name and favorite quote using the print, and this will help you become comfortable with syntax and see immediate results from your code. So making mistakes is a natural part of learning to code. We will learn to spot common syntax errors, such as missing quotation marks or incorrect use of parentheses, and how to fix them through debugging. One frequent error is forgetting the quotation marks, which causes Python to not understand the text properly. So you double check that all opening quotes have matching and closing quotes. So Python is case sensitive, so print must be lowercase. Also, always use parentheses after print to enclose the text or data. Missing or mismatched parentheses can cause errors. So we will explore examples of code with errors and practice identifying and correcting them. This will build your confidence in debugging your own code. So in Python, you can print both text, strings, and numbers. Understanding the difference that helps you write code and that does calculations or displays messages correctly. You can print numbers directly or perform arithmetic operations like addition and subtraction inside the print. For example, like print, then you open bracket 5 plus 3 and then close bracket, outputs 8. So printing 5 plus 3 with quotes shows the text literally, while printing 5 plus 3 without the quotes calculates the sum. This distinction is crucial for programming logic. So let's see how well I'm going to do a mini demo here. So mini demo is that you print 5. So let's show you how to do 5 print plus 3 and then plus displays 8, while print plus quotation mark 5 plus 3 will show the exact characters of 5 plus 3. This helps you understand how Python treats numbers versus text. So I want you to try it on your computer right now. If you have this on, or if you're actually doing the lesson, have a little practice and see if this works. So today we've taken our first steps into programming with Python. You now understand basic programming concepts, how to set up your coding environment and write your first code. So spot common errors as well and explore different outputs. So keep practicing and strengthen your skills, and I'll see you on the next lesson. Thank you for listening.